In our final trade of the day, joining me now is Kevin Cook of Zacks.com. Thanks for being here.
Hey, glad to be here.
So you're taking a look at Facebook ahead of earnings.
Yes,
What do you
on
think?
Wednesday. Well, I own Facebook, have been a big bull for a long time, and I think the story is still underestimated. They are going to grow revenues near 40% again, and it's all about their small business advertising. And corporations are coming in too, but they've expanded the pie. Together with Google, they're going to do 110 billion in digital advertising revenue this year. And Facebook has just created this revolution because a small business can go on there, create an ad for free, and target their audience, control the analytics, and control their ad spend. So that revolution is not going to stop. I think they're going to beat the number for sales and advertising revenue.
You do. So where do you see this stock going? What would be your target price on this?
Well, I see Facebook as a $200 stock a year from now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, so on this earnings report, a couple different bullish ways I'm playing is I'm buying the August 170 calls for about $3. Now that's a 27% implied volatility based on this earnings report, and it's a little bit rich. And if they bomb, hey, you're going to lose that money. But the better play might be for me going out to October and buying the 180 calls for $3, 24% implied volatility, and I've got more time into the next earnings report. I know they're going to beat at least 2 more times this year.
Now I want to move you over to the small caps since you're talking about small businesses. So the Russell 2000 had this big breakout moment last week. Is it time, do you think, for investors to start taking these small caps more seriously?
Absolutely. And for me, it's the small banks and the small biotechs. This move in the Russell, we consolidated sideways for 6 months, bouncing off that 1350 level. The breakout above 1420 is real because of the part of the cycle we're in. We're in the later innings of this bull market and the economic cycle, but that means, we could have 2, 3, maybe 3 years left, and the Russell has the potential to shoot up to 1600.
That's a huge call that you just made.
Yeah, I mean, it's over 6 to 12 months. So I think you want to look at the small banks, you want to look at the small biotechs, and even buy Russell 2000 options.
So we'll take a look at that. What would you do here? Out of the money calls then?
Yeah, definitely out of the money calls. And then I'm doing lots of stuff in some of the smaller stocks. The economy is going to pick up here too. Who knows if we build a wall or not on the border, but lots of small companies are going to benefit from this part of the economic cycle.
Well, great to have you here. Thank you so much, Kevin Cook of Zacks.com.